This happened back in October of 2016, right when that weird clown hysteria was everywhere.
People were posting creepy clown sightings all over the country. Most of them were obviously fake, but a few cases were genuinely terrifying.
I wasn't paying attention to anything around me. Traveling alone like that was probably a terrible idea, but I knew the area well enough to think I'd be fine.
I was planning to get off at 96th and walk home like I always did.
I'd taken that route so many times that getting on and off the train had basically become muscle memory.
I barely even looked up to make sure it was the right station. But the second the doors opened, I realized something was standing right in front of me. It was a clown.
He was wearing the full outfit, oversized rainbow pants, giant red shoes, white makeup, everything.
I was completely frozen for a second, because I'd never seen anything that bizarre up close before.
I realized I only had a few seconds before the doors closed, so I tried to brush past him. The second I touched him, he leaned down right into my face. Before he could grab me, I ran, and then he started chasing me.
There was nobody else around, just me and this clown chasing me through the station.
The way he was running looked completely wrong, like his limbs didn't move naturally. That's when I saw the knife.
The second I saw that blade, I knew I had to get out of the station immediately.
I could hear him right behind me the entire time.
I didn't even think about fighting back. I just kept running.
The second I reached the street, I thought maybe I was finally safe.
But when I looked back, he wasn't there anymore.
I immediately reported everything to the police.
They sent officers down into the station immediately. But by the time they searched the station, he was gone. Even after they told me I was safe, I still couldn't calm down.
I kept thinking he somehow knew where I lived and was going to come after me again.
Nothing like that ever happened again. But it took me weeks to feel normal after it.
After that day, I stopped tuning the world out whenever I rode the train. And sometimes, I still catch myself looking for him. Maybe it was just my imagination, or maybe not.
But ever since that day, I've never looked at an empty subway station the same way again. And honestly, I still don't know what he wanted.
Maybe some of those clown stories were fake, but mine definitely wasn't.